For compiler design lab, we'll see how to handle the start states. So to represent the start states, we have to give %s followed by the state name. Here in this example, the state name is comment, COM I have used here. And whenever you want to recognize any other input, you have to give the state name within angle bracket. Here the state name is comment, so I have enclosed that within the angle bracket. So in this example, we'll see we have to count the number of command line and also eliminate them and copy the C program into another file after eliminating the command lines. So that is a problem statement given to us. So here first we have to specify in the definition section, we have to include the required header file, then initialize the counter, then declare the file pointer. Then after that, you have to specify the start state. So here the start state is %s comment. I have used COM for that. Then if whenever we scan /star, it will go to the comment state. Then after that, in the command state, /star, if you recognize, we have to move the compiler to the command state by giving the command begin command state. Then in the command state, if you want to recognize any other character, you have to make use of command within the angle bracket. And if you in that state, if you give dot, it will recognize any single character for any whichever single character within the command line, it will recognize. And semicolon here we give that don't do anything whenever we recognize it. Then in the command state, if you recognize // it means that we have reached the end of the command state. That time you have to move to the default state 0. So for that we have to write begin 0. So after recognizing the complete command state, you have to give incrementation for the counter. So that's why here it's written C++. Then in the command state, as we are recognizing multi-line command state, we have to recognize new line character also. That's why in the command state, /n also will recognize. When we recognize that, we are not doing anything. That's why semicolon we have to give. Then apart from the command state, in your C program, if you have any single character or any new line character, if you want to recognize, the last regular expression what we have written dot or /n, when you recognize, you have to write the character or the new line character into the new file after eliminating the command state. So in the main subroutine part, if you see, we are opening our input source file in the read mode and assigning that to the in file pointer. Then we are opening another file in the write mode. Here the name I have given as file name.txt. So it's assigned to the file pointer FP. So in that we will be writing all the input excluding the command line. As we have to execute the lexical analyzer what we have developed here, you have to give lex. Then how many command lines are there, that if you want to print, just you can print it as print the number of command lines, and the counter C, if you print, it will print it. And at the end, you have to close the in file pointer as well as the new file pointer FP, you have to close it. So that's all the introduction for the start state.